it was like, you know, someone tapping us in the back going, this isn't helping you. This is not helping your business. And so one of the things I remember he told us was, you have to promote your lunch items. Our lunch items now sell a significant amount more. We are now a true cafe. We're not just a breakfast place or a coffee place. I mean, we are selling just as much lunch items as we are breakfast. And that is a big deal.
Yeah.
And, you know, we have increased our sales by 50%. This is something that, you know, the first meeting, I just remember getting all this feedback from Eate and thinking, oh my gosh, this is what we need to do. I like to also sit with our staff and kind of go through them like, hey, this month or this week. And I tell them, this week we have sold more breakfast burritos than any other item. And, you know, that gets them excited too, you know, or I'll say something like, oh, wow, this week the bacon, egg, and cheese has, declined. What's happening, you know? And then it's like, oh, well, everyone is enjoying the new English muffin sandwich. We love seeing that. We love our staff to get involved in the reporting and stuff, because it motivates them. You know, when they're at the counter and they're talking to the customers, they can say, you know, last week we sold more burritos than we've ever sold since opening Moonwalker. And that means to that new customer, I should probably try that burrito. Sounds like it's a good item.